Hello friends, thanks for joining AviTechLearn. In the last section, we have learned HTML basic concepts, bold, paragraph, break, horizontal line, headings, and in the second section we have learned font, background color, and we also learned the importance of tags, attribute and elements. So today we're going to learn how to insert the background image and main image in the page. We already have the HTML basic structure. Inside the body tag, I'm going to give the space. So I'm going to write the background attribute, background. In the previous section, we have learned the page color. To mention the page color, we have written in the previous section, BG color. But here, to insert the image as a background, we have to write background. Background equals to open double apostrophe, close the double apostrophe. Between these two double apostrophe, we're going to write the path of the image. For that, I already saved the page background. You can see here background image.html. I'm going to open that path. I have your saved file. In this area, I have kept three images: board, good luck, GIF. So these two are GIF images and this is a JPG image. So this one is GIF image and these two are JPG image. Let's take the background image. I'm going to take here good luck, right click on this image, go to properties, and two things we have to remember in this when you're adding background as an image. The first one is name of the picture and the second one is type of the file. The name of the picture, you can see here, we have the name of the picture here, good luck. I'm going to copy this good luck. So sometimes you're going to see some numbers. You're going to copy the same thing, whatever is there in the name. So I'm going to copy the name of the picture, right click, copy, and here I'm going to paste the name of the picture. And when I open back, there is a type of the file, right? So you can see here, there is a type of the file JPG. I'm going to put here type of the file .jpg. So we have inserted the background image. Now save the file, Ctrl S. Let me open the output of this. You see the screen, we got the background image. So here we can see the multiple image in the background, but we can make it single image as a background, whatever we have taken here. But for that we need CSS concept. So that part we're going to learn in the future classes. Let's go back to the coding. You can see a body is the tag, background is the attribute, and whatever we have written here, this part is called element. So this is how we're going to insert the background image. Let us insert the image in this page. For that we have single tag image src, img src. Src stands for image source equals to, with the double quotes and close the angle bracket. Between these double quotes we're going to add the image. So I'm going to take the other image now. I'm going to take this image, right click here, properties, and you can see here name of the image is board. I'm going to copy the name of the image, copy, and the type of the file is PNG. Let's go back to the coding. I'm going to paste the name of the file. The type of the file is PNG. You can see here the type of the file is PNG. Now .png. Save. Always remember the type of the file is important. When you don't give the type of the file, so the picture will not appear in the output. Now save this. Let's go back to the output. Refresh the page. Now you can see here we got the image here, and this is the image what we inserted in the page. So to decrease the size of the image, we have other options in this. We have other attribute. So we're going to write here height. So any value, example, I'm going to take a 400, element, and width 400. Save and go back here and refresh the page by pressing F5 or by clicking on this icon. Now as you see the screen right now, and you can see here the image is adjusted as per the size, height and width. I hope I have cleared some basic concepts in HTML. Thanks for joining AviTechLearn. Please do like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.